Hello guys. Now I'll show you how you can display Laravel debug log in the better way. Now you can see that Laravel is collecting all logs in the laravel.log files. Sometimes it's being tough to understand everything from the one file. If you get this file in the visually from the front end, then it would be more better for you. Now you can see that this file is collecting lot of error logs, and if I try to find out the specific issues, then it's sometimes it's maybe being difficult for us. So if I got something like this, here you can see that I am displaying all logs in the front end with URL logs, and from here you can get the better view of the log files. And it is not only laravel.log, all other logs will be here. So let's take a look how we can display the log file in the more better way. So in that case, you have to type in the Google Laravel log viewer. Then you will find a repository here. You can see that this repository is already used 5.1k. It is very easy to install. So just you have to copy this composer command, then need to install it. I am installing the package. The package is successfully installed. Then let's see the next instruction. Then there has a service provider. As I am using Laravel 8, maybe this provider is automatically will be published. Now I have to add this route to get the to see the visually Laravel log files. Let's put this file into the route file. Route web. Okay, from here I am just putting it in the route. The URL is logs. Now let's take this URL logs. Yes, it's work fine. So it is very easy to install. Just you have to install the package. Then you need to add the l- log line. That means this route line into your route file. It is very easy. And now you can display your Laravel all logs in visually here. And if you read this repository instruction in the next, you will see that we can customize the view. And to customize the front end view of the log, just you have to publish the vendors, then you can change the design of the front end. Okay, so thank you. I think that this video is useful for you.